Mistplay phone verification can fail if your number format, network, or account details don't match what the app expects. By the end of this, you'll know why your phone number verification isn't working and what to do to fix it. The first thing to check is your number format. Mistplay usually requires the correct country code and full mobile number. If you skipped the country code or entered an old number, the verification text may never arrive. Double-check it before requesting another code. Next, make sure your phone can actually receive SMS. If you have weak signal, airplane mode enabled, or a carrier issue, the code may be delayed or blocked. Turn airplane mode off, check your bars, and try again. A quick restart can also refresh your mobile connection. Now, check for blocked messages. Some phones filter unknown or automated texts. Open your messaging app and look in spam or blocked folders. Verification texts sometimes land there. Another common issue is requesting too many codes too fast. If you keep tapping resend, the system can temporarily slow down or block new requests. Send one request and wait. Then use the newest code only. Older codes can expire once a new one is sent. Next, confirm your SIM card matches your account region. If your phone number is from one country but your Mistplay account is set to another, verification may fail. This happens often if you move countries or used a VPN. Turn off any VPN before trying again. Also, check your app version. Open the Google Play Store and update Mistplay. Older versions can break verification requests after backend changes. If the code arrives but won't work, type it manually. Copy-pasting can add spaces or extra characters. Enter it exactly as shown. If your number was used on another Mistplay account before, the system may reject it. That can happen with old accounts or duplicate accounts. In that case, contact Mistplay support. Send them your phone number, account email, and screenshots of the error. That gives them enough to review it. So the main fixes are simple. Check your number format, wait for one fresh code, and make sure your network is stable. Start with the country code first because that breaks verification more than anything else. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick app fixes.